it arrived.
So I finally got the product that I've been waiting for. Let's just cut it up and see what it looks like. So I ordered this about a week and a half ago. Figured I'd be able to open this. Oh, no way. They put some candy in there from the UK. That's awesome. Some packing. If you guys don't know Driftworks, I'll see if I can post some videos. Show you what they're all about. They're an amazing drift team. They make amazing cars. I think Larry Chen did a autofocus on the AE86 that he had. So here we are. They're helper springs, and what they're supposed to do is help me go lower. Well, that's what I want to do with them, but they're supposed to help me go lower without losing preload. So I'm really excited to have these. Let's see what how low we can get the car. What other goodies did they give us? Driftworks pen. It's pretty cool. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, sick. And some stickers, decals, whatever you want to call them. See, of some of their famous builds. The A86, you got an S15, M3, and it looks like a Toyota. That's what it says here. I don't know what model it is. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments what it is. But yeah, that's all the stuff here. Pretty exciting unboxing, man. They give you candy, they give you a pen, and some decals. That's pretty awesome. And the shipping didn't take too long, and it was completely tracked. Took about a week, all the way from the UK. So yeah, thanks Driftworks, and thanks HSD. These are for my HSD coilovers, but they do say on the site that they can work with any product or any suspension that has the same diameter. They can help with that, with any other coilover that you may own. But just make sure that you do your research first to make sure that it's the right fit for your coilovers. Yeah.